Hi, are you one of those people who think broccoli tastes or smells awful? I have a surprise for you. Come on in my kitchen for a treat. Broccoli, just like cauliflower, cabbage, and kale, is a cruciferous vegetable loaded with fiber and nutrients. Someone on a diet can actually fill up their plate with broccoli without necessarily adding up on a strong taste and smell, especially children. Here is how I make it. I've just sauteed some onion and added pepper to it. You can skip this if you don't want it hot or if you're feeding a child. Now I'll be adding my sliced up carrots. The broccolis will be going in shortly afterwards. Add the broccolis. And just give it a good mix. Go ahead and use your favorite spices. Here I'm using the mixed spices, salt and thyme. Give it a good stir. Making sure that everything is well combined. It should look like this. Once it steams up, I'll go ahead and add some chicken broth. Just about this quantity, or as you wish, depending on how thick you want, thick or thin you want it to be. But really, you can freestyle. I'll be adding the mixed peppers last because I want them crunchy, like almost fresh. And when I'm done adding them, I'll just go ahead and cover it up and let it steam. And after a minute, I went ahead to add this fish sauce powder. I found that this helps to bind the whole sauce together, kind of make it thicker, and then gives it a different kind of taste. And this is also an alternative to this sauce. The food is ready in a minute. Here I'm serving it with potatoes, but feel free to serve it with rice or any other alternative. I hope you enjoyed broccoli henceforth. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.